Hi everyone, today we know about 13 Principles of Think and Grow Rich book by Napoleon Hill. We are mainly discussing today the content, only 3 languages, Bengali, English and Hindi. Mainly I describing the content in Bengali and Hindi. So let's start guys. It's divided 2 parts. First principles, desire means ইচ্ছা, faith বিশ্বাস, auto suggestion, সতত প্রণোদিত নির্দেশনা, specialized knowledge বিশেষ জ্ঞান, imagination কল্পনা শক্তি, organized planning, decision সিদ্ধান্ত, organized planning সুসংগঠিত পরিকল্পনা, decision সিদ্ধান্ত, persistence অধ্যবসায়।